approaching the winter months and we want to look at antifreezing the Steam-Flo line, starting with the SF20 enclosed trailer. First, we're going to want to take out the drain hose, just lay it on the ground. You know, we're going to have quite a bit of water coming out from that. Before we step inside and drain everything, we want to crack the valve out here so that air can get back up inside the vessel and not create a vacuum. All right, now when we drain the vessel down, there's 3 different valves that we need to open. Doesn't matter which order you open them in, but we need to open the valve at the bottom of the vessel, the valve on the water feeder, and then the valve for the drain on the water tank. Once the Steam-Flo is completely drained and the water tank is drained, we're going to prep it here so that we can start antifreezing the system. And to do that, we need to remove a plug before the pump and add a standpipe. Here at the factory, we just use your standard RV type antifreeze. It's usually pink in color, but it's got a nice rust emitter and can protect the equipment from pretty freezing temperatures. Next step is to close the valve right beside the standpipe. And then we're gonna fill the standpipe with antifreeze, and that's gonna fill the line all the way up to the pump with pure antifreeze. Now that I got the standpipe in place and antifreeze in it, I'm gonna go turn the generator on, and then I'm gonna turn the pump on and off kind of quickly, because all I have in the system is the antifreeze in that standpipe and the line before it, so we don't want to run the pump dry. So it's going to take several times back and forth if it's just one person to keep refilling the standpipe and turning the pump on, because essentially you want to get 1 to 2 gallons of antifreeze in there before you get a nice pink coming out. And then another thing to ensure that you do half the process with the bypass line closed and half the process with the bypass line open. You just want to make sure you get antifreeze in the bypass line as well while you're doing this process. Now that the vessel is antifreezed, we just need to put some antifreeze in the water tank. It holds some water in the bottom, so we don't want that freezing and busting any lines. So we're just going to add 4 to 6 gallons of RV antifreeze right to the poly tank itself. Now that you're done with the antifreezing process, all your lines, your pump, everything's antifreezed well, we're going to pull the standpipe, we're going to put your plug back in, and then close all your valves. If you don't close your valves, antifreeze could slosh around that's still left in your hoses and just kind of get inside your trailer from your drain line. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to us. There's links down in the description. Thanks for watching.